Welcome the our channel. Today we how to configure Serum or Orca swap settings in Phantom. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Phantom wallet on your device. Ensure you are logged in to your Phantom account. Navigate to the main dashboard of your wallet. Locate the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the settings icon to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, find the Networks tab. Select the Networks tab to view available network options. Scroll down to find Serum or Orca. Click on the desired swap option, either Serum or Orca. You will now see configuration options specific to the selected swap. Adjust the slippage tolerance according to your preference. For more accurate transactions, consider setting a higher slippage tolerance if necessary. If using Serum, review the market liquidity and available pairs. For Orca, ensure you select the appropriate liquidity pool. Confirm all settings are as you desire before proceeding. Once everything is set, exit the settings menu. Return to the main dashboard to start trading. Select the asset you wish to swap from and to. Enter the amount you want to swap. Review the estimated output before finalizing the transaction. Once satisfied, click the swap button to execute the trade. Monitor the transaction status to ensure completion. Your swap will be processed through the selected platform seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.